going on YouTube? It's your buddy Macross Knight. Today we're going to be going over the Bluetooth FM transmitter Sumind wireless radio adapter. So we're going to go over a few of the features. We're just going to kind of have a brief discussion about what this product is and how my view of the product, as well as a rating at the end. So with this product, it does have a 1.7-inch screen, as you see. It doesn't display much information, but it does show that you were connected to Bluetooth. If you happen to have a SD card that you can put in there, it also, as you see, displays the time of the song or whatever you happen to have playing, music, whatever. It does have a channel up, channel down button for your radio, so you can select whatever station it is you want to select that works in your particular area. It also does have a volume control button, which does control your radio, which you can also use your steering column if you have a volume adjust there. It does also allow you to do voice commands, such as call John, tell John it'll be okay, show me the direction home. So your OK Google and your Hi Siri's will work with this device also. The other features here is it does have the voice prompt. There's really nothing else here. Large screen. I don't know if they. Sure. And then the last thing here is it also does have a aux in, aux out, which is nice, and it does support up to 32 gigs, which for you people out there who have 32 gigs isn't a lot of music, but hey, if it works for you, it works for you. Me personally, I use this for my music solution in my car. I have a Maxima, and my tape deck was, well, janky to say the least. So I ended up needing a new solution, and I was like, well, you know, I've used one in theory once before in somebody else's car, and it worked pretty good. This one also does work pretty well. Uh, the fact that it does have a quick charge and the 2.4 on there also, so I can charge my devices, really made a difference for me. Uh, Added up with the fact that the general quality of sound is decent. Not great. So don't buy this thinking that you're gonna get like some amazing sound. You're gonna get some static every once in a while. Let's just be honest. But with that being said, all in all, the product works. It does what you'll need it to do, and it supports the formats that you're gonna need it to support. Uh, I would recommend this product, and my rating on this product is a solid 5 out of 10. It's average. It's not above average. It's just average. But if you consider at a price point of $25.99. Maybe that's a little out of your budget for your solution. For me, I got it on a sale, so it wasn't quite that expensive. But for $25.99, it's a decent product. I got it around $15, so it's a great product for that price. But to be honest, if I'm you out here looking for a product, this is okay. If you have a few more dollars, maybe you'll get a different product. But it does have a ton of reviews, and most of them are from people who know what they're talking about, and they're pretty good reviews. Um, so hopefully this helps you in your voyage and your journey to find you a new uh, solution for your car. I hope that you like and subscribe to the video. I do thank you, YouTube, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. And happy 2019.